Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file, and they said it took them a long time to get the circles equally spaced out in this line. So we're going to delete all the ellipses. I'm actually going to turn everything into a hairline. I find it's a little bit easier when we're doing something. So we want that circle. I'm going to match what he did. So I'm going to take the parallel dimension tool, and that's why I think the hairline is going to help us. We got a 0.18 jump above that line, so we're going to change our nudge factor to 0.18. And I am going to set this thing on the bottom in the middle with the node. Now we could do it several ways. We need to get the next one really here. So what I'm going to do, I've got my guideline and I'm going to put it on that node. And I am going to Control D and move it over, holding down the control button. That way it'll get on the bottom and then I'll hit an edge. And then I'm going to Control D all the way across. And just keep going. Well, I lost my Control D. So let me just do it real quick. And you could also do it by nudging. Let's do that. My old laptop has trouble Control D in a lot. Let's go with the parallel dimension tool and go from that center to that line, and we got 0.29. So we're going to change our nudge factor, and just remember the I think it's 2.9. Remember the 18. So I'm going to Control D and just move that over, and then if you lose it, you still got see, like when I left the screen, I can still nudge it. Control D and just nudge instead of having to go back. Now, if you remember that 18, we'll turn it back to 0.18, and we can grab just the ellipses because of the fact that I'm not grabbing the whole line. I'm going to nudge them up that 0.18. Now, what we can do is we've still got our line there. We could grab these and make a Control D and make a duplicate, moving this one to here till it hits that node. We've still got our 0.18. We'll move it down. Now I'm going to put it back to the line thickness he had. I think it was like 2 points. Well, it must have been a little thicker. No, it's too thick. That's how you could do it real quickly and precisely. And I asked him how he made the line. I thought I'd go ahead and add that real quick. He used off of one of my videos, he used the distort tool. He even gave me the numbers he used. He put in, so on zipper he wanted 20 and 10. Now you're going to get a real sharp, but right here you can click one time on smooth, and I got that same line. The distort tool is pretty cool when you learn how to use it. He's making a border for a frame with this design. It's going to be pretty cool. I hope that made his life a little quicker, and thank you for watching.